Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about adverb clause. Let's get started. Remember that a dependent or a subordinate clause gives additional information to the main sentence. Thus, it cannot stand alone as a separate sentence. Have a look at the example over here. When she comes back home after a long day at work, she likes to take a bath. Now, the dependent or the subordinate clause is when she comes back home after a long day at work, and it's used to give us additional information about the main sentence. She likes to take a bath. Now, an adverb clause is a dependent clause that modifies an adjective, an adverb, or a verb or verb phrase, providing additional information. Have a look at the example below. Give me a call when you get home. Now, the adverb clause in the sentence, when you get home, modifies the verb phrase, give me a call. Note that an adverb clause can begin with words such as after, because, since, until, when, etc. As in the examples below. We were at the beach when it started raining. Mike is running every day as he is going to run a marathon in a month. Now, an adverb clause can be placed at the beginning and at the end of the sentence without a change in meaning. Now, make sure to use a comma if the clause is placed at the beginning of the sentence. Have a look at the examples below. You should brush your teeth before you go to bed. Before you go to bed, you should brush your teeth. There is no change in meaning, but the adverb clause in the first sentence is placed at the end. And in the second sentence, the adverb clause is placed at the beginning and a comma is used. Here is a short story using adverb clauses. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. What do you want to do after you finish your studies? I don't really know yet. Until I find a job, I want to work on my English skills so that I can find a job abroad. But before I apply, I need to find a local internship. You're saying that you don't know yet, but it seems like you've got it all figured out.